Is the TurboVac S40. It's a benchtop vacuum sealer. As you can see, it's a full chamber model. As far as the TurboVacs we sell, this is the largest benchtop model. They're available in a whole lot of different configurations. You can go smaller, you can get a bigger one, you can have 2 sealing bars. There's a lot of different things we can do for you. But we're just talking about the S40 today. Really simple program interface and how to run the vacuum sealer. After we've turned it on, you get presented with your program, your vacuum, and your sealing wire. There's up to 10 storable programs in a machine like this, which is easily selectable by going left and right. So if you're vacuuming 5, 6, 7 different products, you can have a preset program for every single one of them. So we're having a look at our P4 here. I'm going to press our settings button. We're going to vacuum the chamber out for 15 seconds. And we're going to run our sealing wire for 2 seconds. So that's great. We'll come back to our 4th program and we'll grab something to vacuum. These are our vacuum bags. They're a 70 industrial vacuum bag. They're great for places like butcher shops, commercial kitchens, any place where you've got to store and keep your food fresh. After we've set our bag over the bars like that, it's a really easy system. We're just going to put the hood down and flip up our little hood catch here. So we're going to vacuum out for 15 seconds. Because this is a chambered model, you can also do liquids in it. It's going to evacuate the air out of the chamber instead of just pulling the air out of the bag. So if you look at a vacuum bag like this, if you're doing a liquid, you're going to give yourself a gusset so you don't spill any of the liquid on the outside when you go to seal the bag. And then something like this, flip your gusset back, straight into the chambered machine. You can do liquids in it as well. Our vacuum cycle is complete. So I'm going to flip this down and let our hood come back up. And as you can see, there's no air left in that bag. So we've got very form-fitting packaging, fantastic presentation look for various things. Even if you're doing smaller items, you might want to think about a bigger vacuum sealer because you can do 2 at once. So we're going to put our 2 packs in here side by side. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing. So we finished vacuuming. We're now going to return the chamber to air pressure, to atmospheric pressure. Now our cycle's complete. And as you can see, we vacuum 2 things at once. So that's our TurboVac. There's also other options available if you're in need of something a little different. If the crushed product look isn't for you and you still want a vacuum seal, you want to get all the air out of the bag, we can get you a gas flush option, which means we're going to replace the air inside the bag with an inert gas like argon or nitrogen, which is going to give you that flush product look, but still going to give you that vacuum seal and going to keep everything from spoiling. We also service and repair the TurboVacs. If you've got any questions, you want to buy a new machine, you want to get your machine serviced, or there's just something you'd like to know, you can go to www.getpacked.com.au. You can drop your question in the comments below this video, give us a like and subscribe, and that's all we're doing.